السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And this is our 14th lesson and second part. In this one, as you can see, the name is TASHDEED with TASHDEED. We are going to discuss the words having two TASHDEED signs coming together and after Maddah letters. So in this one we will discuss the words related to having shadda sign after Maddah letters, just like that. You see this one? So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So as you know, whenever you see the shadda letter is coming, we always connect it with the previous letter which is having any sign. So Dad is the letter which is having fatha, and after fatha alif comes, which is a Maddah letter, and on top of that the big mud sign is coming, which emphasizes that you have to make it longer for 5 seconds instead of 2 seconds like for Maddah letters. And you make the sound longer and mix it with that shadda sign. The shadda sign is actually at lam. This is lam alif. The shadda is on top of this lam. So you connect it, you make the sound dod sound longer and connect it with lam. Dod, lam, fatha, or you can say mad fatha, dal. So in translation you can see 2a are given, but you have to make the sound longer according to the sign. So this is big mud sign, you have to make it longer for 5 counts. Dal, then lam with 2 fathas, lan, okay. Dalan. You see the lam is having shadda sign, so that's why there are 2 L sounds are coming. Dalan. Similarly, now this Jim is having shadda letter, so you will connect Jim with the previous letter which is having any sign, which is ha. So ha is having fatha, and after fatha alif is coming, which is a Maddah letter. Whenever after fatha alif comes, you make the sound longer, but on top of alif you see the mad sign is coming as well, which emphasizes that you make the ha sound way longer than besides just for Maddah letter. And you make the sound longer and mix up with Jim. Ha will be mixed up with Jim. Haj, this sound. Jim is having fatha, ja. So how you read these 2 words? Hajja, hajja. Okay, J is two letters for J's, Jim sound. Ka fatha, ka. Hajjaka. Okay. Next, ha is the same word. Ha is having fatha and Jim with the tashdid sign. You connect Jim with the sound of ha, ha, Jim, mad fatha, haj. You see, Jim having dhamma, and after dhamma waw with sukoon is coming. So you will make the sound longer for 2 seconds like for Maddah letters we do. So it will become haju, haju, ka fatha, ka. Hajuka. Okay, the same thing is there. You can see Jim is having shadda sign, and you connect with Jim with the previous letter like ha, because ha is just before Jim which is having any sign. Ha is having fatha, and after fatha alif is coming, which is a Maddah letter, and on top of it there is mad sign. So you make the ha sound longer for 5 counts. and mix up with jim. Hamza fatha a, ta dhamma tu, atu. Make ha sound longer. Ha, jim fatha. Hajj. Jim waw dhamma. Ju. You make it jim sound longer. You see, this is the same situation. After fatha, alif was coming, and then there is shadda sign, and after dhamma, waw with sukoon, which is a madda letter, and noon is having shadda sign. So you connect noon with that jim sound. June, June, and noon having kasra, and after kasra, ya with sukoon sign, which is a madda letter. Juni. You know, whenever noon comes with shadda, we make gunna sound. So, atu hajjuni. Atu hajjuni. Okay, the same thing there. Very popular word at the end of Surah Fatiha. Lam will be mixed up with Dad, and Dad sound will be mixed up with the next Lam, because the next Lam is having Shadda as well. So, Walad Dal. After Kasra, Ya with Sukoon is coming, so we will make it Madda sound. Wa Fatha Wa, Lam will be connected with Dad. Lam, Dad, Fatha, Lad. Dad, Alif, Mad, Fatha, Dal. Lam, Ya, Kasra, Li, Noon, Fatha, Na. وَلَضَّالِّينَ وَلَضَّالِّينَ. Okay, then it is very simple word. Jim, Alif, Mad, Fatha. You know, Ja, Hamza, Fatha. So this word will be Ja'a. We will make it longer because of the mad sign coming on top of madda letter. Ta will be mixed up with Sad. Ta, Sad, Kasra, Tis. And Sa will be mixed up with Kha. And after Fatha, there is Alif, which is a madda letter, and on top of alif, this is a mad sign, which emphasizes that you have to make it way longer. And mix that sound with that kha, because kha is having shadda sign as well. Sad, kha. Sometimes you read, you can read mad fatha or alif mad fatha. Sakh, kha fatha, kha. Sakha. Okay, ta dhamma tu. Sakhatu. Ja'ati sakhatu. Okay. Now these words were about the madda letters after TASHDEED sign, or you can say TASHDEED sign after madda letters. Now we are going to discuss the words with TASHDEED, TASHDEED with TASHDEED. So you can see after that, this is TASHDEED sign, this is TASHDEED sign. Two TASHDEED signs are coming together. So how we read that type of words? Let's practice. Waw fatha, wa. Hamza, noon fatha, an. Za, lam fatha, zal. Noon, alif fatha, na. So this is a very simple word. Wa, an, zal, na. And you know this za is ikhfa sound, so we will make ikhfa sound on this noon. Wa anzalna. Hamza will be connected with kaf, ak. Lam will be mixed up with the next lam, because it is having shadda. Lam, lam fatha, lal. Lam, mim fatha, lam, because mim is having tashdeed sign. Mim two fathas, man. So you know, whenever mim comes with tashdid, we do ghunna sound. So we will do ghunna sound on mim, and noon we will do ikhfa sound on this noon, because za is out of ikhfa letters. So we will read wa anzalna lamma, wa anzalna lamman. If we stop there, it will become ma. Next, out of Surah Al-Falaq, mim goes to noon, min. Sheen goes to, sheen will be connected with ra, sheen, ra fatha. Shar, ra will be mixed up with noon. Ra, noon, kasra, rin. Noon will be mixed up with fa. Each time you see shadda letter, the letter with shadda, you connect it with the previous letter. This fa will be connected with the noon. Noon, fa, fatha, naf. Fa standing fatha, fa. Tha standing fatha, tha. Ta kasra, ti. So you see this sheen out of ikhfa letters. We will do ikhfa sound on this noon. Min sharrin. Noon with tashdid we will do ghunna, and whenever ra comes with kasra we make ra sound light. Min sharrin naffathati. Okay. Min sharrin naffathati. Okay. Hamza goes to ba. Hamza ba fatha. Ab, sad alif fatha. Sa, ab, sa, ra dhamma, ru. Ab, sa, ru. So ba with sukoon, we will make echo sound there. It is out of iqlab letters. And after fatha, alif is coming, we will make this sad sound longer. It will be madda. Ab, sa. This ra with dhamma, we will make the ra sound bold. Ru. Absaru. Ha alif fatha. Ha. Absaruha. Sin kasra. Si. Ra alif fatha. Ra. Sira. Jim will be mixed up with waw. So you know waw is idgham letters. So whenever waw comes after tanween or waw with sukoon, noon with sukoon, you mix up with the previous letter. Jim goes to waw. Jim waw fatha. Jaum waw ha fatha. Wah. Jaum wah. Ha alif fatha. Ha. Jim two fathas. Jan. Sira. Jaum wah. Jan. Absaruha sirajan wahajan. Okay. Next, Hamza goes to lam. Al, mim, za dhamma, muz, za mim fatha, zam, mim kasra, mi. Al muzzammi, lam dhamma, lu. Al-Muzzammilu. Next, Ain, Lam kasra, Il. Lam, Ya, kasra, Li. Okay. Ya, Waw, Dhamma, Yu. Il, Li, Yu. Nun, Fatha, Na. Il, Li, Yu, Na. So, each time you will connect the shadda letters with the previous letter. Ain will be connected with the lam. Il, lam with ya. Li, yuna. Or you can say whenever shadda letter comes, you will connect the previous letter with the next letter. Il, li, yuna. Next, Hamza goes to lam. Al, mim dal dhamma, mud, dal tha fatha, das, sa kasra, si, ra dhamma, ru. Al, mud, das, si, ru. Al, mud, das, si, ru. So you know, whenever the shadda letter comes, we do not disconnect the sound, so we keep in one sound. We will keep mixing these sounds together. Al muddathiru, instead of reading muddath, we read it together. So I just made separate because just to make it easier. Al muddathiru. So that's it for today. Inshallah, I will put more pages for the practice so you can practice more. So this is basically, you can say, kind of the last exercise. If you will be able to read till there, you will be able to read most of the words in the Quran. That's it for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.